Clutie, he's got room on the left side. Mattocks a chance! Darren Mattocks, his first for the Timbers!
Chris Clutie is left completely unmarked. You have to say it's not the best of balls from him.
Mattocks, tenacious, again wins it for the Timbers. Mattocks, why not?
Mistake from Rosenberry. Just trying to pick out a pass. He gets crying possession in the Mattocks. He's looking to punish him for it.
Through to Valeri. Sent across, looking for Mattocks! He's done it against his former team! And it's 2!
Vancouver Whitecaps get sucked towards the ball.
Can Valeri hit the empty net? He takes it on a touch. Valeri across instead for Darren Mattocks to seal it. Look at Luis Robles trying to get back. 2 men, no problem onside.
Taken away by Mattocks. Pirlo complains, but play on. Valeri with a chance, and he finishes. Diego Valeri rockets.
It's a turnover. Let's see. No foul whatsoever. Head wasn't on the swivel on this one. As you can see right there, look at the first touch, and look.
He might still get it. Asprey is going to get in behind. Mattocks in position. It's a wonderful goal. It starts with Chowder. It ends with Mattocks. And Paul in the...
Sebastian Blanco into Vitas, great ball. Marinovic didn't get it. Mattocks puts it in. 2.5 minutes into the second half. The Timbers go ahead. It's Darren Mattocks against his former.
To get back on level terms. Lofted high towards Mattocks. Darren Mattocks. The Whitecaps tie it up in stoppage time at the end of BMO Field with Mattocks second of the game.
What a leap by Darren Mattocks. He gets up so high here. It's just a hopeful lofted cross into the box. It's bread and butter for Milos Kosic to come and claim this. And watch Mattocks on the back post. He's got one thing on his mind and one thing only. I'm going for this. What a jump. He virtually jumps over Logan Emery to get on the end of this. Tremendous athleticism from Mattocks. Look at how high he gets.
Lower goes back to the left and played forward by Matt Hedges. Hedges making his 20th start of the season. Headed away well by Carlisle Mitchell. Now Kofi with the first time ball through, and Darren Mattocks is onto it, round the back of the defence. Can Mattocks score? Yes, he can! Darren Mattocks finds the net for the third game in a row. A cool, calm finish. It is 1-0 Whitecaps.
Well, Fernandez made a very good save on Mattocks just earlier. But look at this fabulous through ball from Gershon Kofi, splitting the three central defenders, and Mattocks' speed takes him beyond. The one thing that Darren Mattocks has been working on so hard is that composure. Just to pass the ball into the back of the net. No mistake from the Jamaican international.
Now Rochat thought about playing it through, then retreated, finds Kofi in the circle. Nice through ball. Hurtado turns off his man. Can he squeak it through? Does for Mattocks. Mattocks gets around Bruner. Has a rip. Oh, it's a brilliant goal! Darren Mattocks, that's how he opens his account in 2013. A screamer from the edge of the box in minute number 36. Top corner, and the Jamaican is on the board. Houston 0, Whitecaps 1.
And as you said, what a way to open his account. He got a little bit fortunate. Hurtado slipping inside, playing the ball with the outside of his right foot to him. Bruner coming across. It looked like he had tackled him, but it fell to Mattocks, of course. He whipped it in the top corner, and we saw them in training yesterday. That's almost exactly what they were working on. Little balls in the D at the top of the box, into Mattocks, just be able to whip it in. First time, he didn't even think about it. Exactly what they were doing yesterday, and boy, did he finish that right.
Chip it over him, or do I actually get it down? If it was on the ground, he probably would have just driven right at him.
Flag stays down on Mattocks, who's going to get another chance to run and goal. Getting atoned for that last miss. Does well to get around, and that's a wonderful response. Carl Robinson elated in the technical area. Darren Mattocks adds his third of the season. It's the first time this year the Whitecaps have scored 3 in a game, and that should be game, set, and match for the team in white.
There you go, way more comfortable with the ball on the ground. It's not bouncing. He lets himself get into the area. Once you have the defender in the area, what's he going to do? Is he going to bring you down? No. Drive at him, composure. And to be fair, this is a fantastic goal, especially because you just missed a sitter. Now this goal, fantastic. Great individual effort there.
Well, the fans got what they wanted, a lopsided victory in their favor. It's what everybody had predicted. And the Whitecaps have delivered, and their record against Eastern Conference teams at home will improve with this result.
He gets it around Fabinho. Blake was already way out. Mattocks cuts. Mattocks goes down. Penalty.
I mean, this should never have happened. Here's Blake coming out now.
Calling it more Audi halftime report. Mattocks from Valeri off the chest. Mattocks was closed down at the last minute by Ledom and Torres. It's a penalty. Mark Geiger points to the spot. Penalty for the Timbers.
And Valeri trying to get forward as well. The ball played in behind Spector. Mattocks again trying to show his pace. Spector looks like he gets there. Back for Bendick, and again, those appeals, mostly from the home fans, calling for a penalty as Mattocks stares down.
Once again, that speed of Mattocks getting around the backside of Spector.
Nice give and go. Space carved out. Top of the box. Shooting opportunity. Oh, what a smack. And what a hit from Darren Mattocks.
El guardameta Derby Carrillo, que ya atajó un penal ahora. ¡Va! ¡Gol! 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 Cuenta, profe, la estatura del arquero.
Agarra impulso. Gol, 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 gol.
Le falló la técnica, ¿no? Al recibir, tenía que recibir y colocarse para disparar. ¡Tiro! ¡Mattocks! 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 ¡Gol! ¡De Jamaica! El gol. Lo platicamos.